Okay, so this is 2010 duct tape cardboard boat race. This is Josh Moore, Matty Powell, and this is the before picture of the boat, before Josh sinks it. You remember, hey, you take out what you bring in, so if you sink it, you got to go and get it.
I will dive like a Navy SEAL. Yeah, right.
Okay, Tadpole, that's your new name. Tadpole.
I thought it was semen.
That too.
Semen sampler.
Semen sampler.
We said 5 minutes, like 20 minutes ago.
Look, they got a sail or something.
Well, that's cool. It'll just hold them back with the wind. That's a good thing for us. Yeah, because there is no wind right now. What? Because there is no real wind right now.
Actually, look at the water. There's some windage ripple.
Oh man, I got a poop now. We'll wait until I'm done though.
You do know I'm posting this on YouTube, right?
Why are you doing that horizontal? Or vertical? What are you talking about?
Because if I go the other way, everybody will be turning their head like this to watch the video.
This is team clear. That float's clear. No. No, zoom in on you. Tell me something. Something.
Starting day, go. Hey, you got a flapper on the front there. Is that his rudder?
Yeah.
Check out the rudder. That's the rudder right there. Why are you tearing off your rudder?
I don't need it.
You need a rudder.
I got my legs for that.
This is by far the most ridiculous thing I've ever done.
They're taking the boats. It's time to go. Okay. Here's the camera.
Okay. I guess it's time for Josh's pain to begin. Don't forget,
One more.
we need the paddle.
Alright, let's go. Don't forget your paddle.
I got the paddle.
Here, let's not drag it, just in case.
Yeah, you don't want to puncture the tape.
Yeah. Notice the search and rescue out there.
Yep, search and rescue on the water for Josh Moore.